Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to complete the gossip quest Princess Stella feed a cat with her favorite food in Heartopia like this. This quest can be a bit confusing, so I will explain it clearly at this time, and I will also show you a direct example. First, the tricky part of this quest is finding out your cat's favorite food. To check this, just open your smartwatch and go to the pet menu and then select your cat like this. And then just open the kitty mood log like this. And then in here you might sometimes see a notifications or log that says the kitty finds today meal extra tasty blah 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 like this. That message usually appears right after you feed your cat, and it means that food is your cat favorite. And in my case, my cat loves eating pelt fish and false cat like this. And then so in this tutorial, I will feed my cat with the pelt fish and false cat fish like this. And then I will feed it like this. And after you feed the cat with their favorite food, you will receive the notifications as the same as the log before, like this. And then next, when you check the quest, it will automatically complete like this, and then you just need to find the Mr. John to confirm the quest, and your quest will be complete. So the problem in this quest, to get that notifications, that favorite food notifications, you usually need to experiment with different foods first. Just try feeding your cat various fish or cat food until you find the one it really likes and you get that notifications. But there is a useful trick or another trick to finish this quest faster. The cat in this quest doesn't have to be your own cat. You can also feed another player's cat, so you can simply ask other players or your friends, like if they already know their cat favorite food. And if they do, just prepare that food and feed it to their cat. Like for example, your friend's cat likes sardine or maybe belt fish too, or maybe cat food. So just prepare it, and then after you have this food, just give it to your friend's cat, and the quest will automatically complete like this. And okay, that's how you can finish the Princess Stella cat feeding quest in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!